Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to work with pages now. Open the Pages menu top left and create a new page with the plus button. Name it using a numbering prefix so navigation stays clear. Once done, drag existing frames into that page, or right-click any frame and choose Move to Page to relocate content instantly. Make sure to keep a single purpose per page, designs, flows, and assets, so you can switch context fast. This avoids clutter and speeds collaboration with teammates. Now organize. Duplicate pages for versions or experiments to preserve history, then rename so the purpose is obvious. Next, group related frames with clear names and use sections or consistent frame sizing to make scanning faster. Once that's set, pull shared components from the Assets panel or enable your team library to reuse UI elements across pages. This keeps consistency and reduces rework. As you work, use page order to reflect flow and collapse unused pages. Finish by sharing and exporting. Right-click the page and copy link to page so reviewers land exactly where you want them. Select frames on a page and set export presets to deliver assets. Before handing off, run a quick pass to ensure components are published to the team library and that prototypes point to correct frames. If something goes wrong, frames seem missing, make sure you're on the right page, inspect for locked or hidden layers, and confirm components weren't detached or moved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.